Hi, this is George at paintreproductions.com. We're going to work a little bit more on the Milkmaid by Vermeer reproduction. Okay, what we're going to do right now is we're just going to work on this little, I believe it's called it's like a warming stove. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work the darks to the lights. So I've got a liner brush. I'm mixed up the darkest brown, a little bit of blue to make it kind of give it a blackish tint. Then I got a brown, a little bit of white, make it lighter, just like doing flesh tone. Okay, and the trick with this box is, even though it just seems like a little object sitting in the corner, Vermeer is all about, painting detailed images and those little bits of detail. So for this, you kind of really got to take your time, and just like painting any kind of a three-dimensional box. So you're going to do the light browns and have the light areas, the dark areas. I'm not worried too much about the cup. The cup's just we're gonna hit that with a little red glaze when we're sure it's all dry. I want to get the darkest area of those box, the shadows, the line. There's really not too much to describe what's going on here. I'm just gonna use those browns, get the color in, and this will be just a quick video on detailing this box. But you will see I'll go back and forth to the box every now and then, especially with those little dots or vents on the top. There's some, some nice little detail here, and there's some kind of I guess it's like a thing for the ash, like a stick laying next to it. And then the floor color right there is pretty creative. So we'll be working in just this general area for a little while. So we're almost done wrapping up this quick video. We got the initial kind of like a blocking color or base color down on this. And we'll add some more details and get it to really look like wood as soon as it dries, and we'll come back and hit it again. Again, my name's George with paintreproductions.com. If you're enjoying these series of videos, and if you can help me out by just subscribing and sharing them with, sharing with other artists and anybody this may help. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, just leave those down in the description part in the bottom, and I'll be more than happy to get back with you with them. So have a good day.